Hey, Dan Palesci here. Just wanted to show you another quick little proof video. Here's another $642.48 that I received on the 16th of this month, in addition to the $4,780 I already showed you that I received on the 7th and the 10th of this month. So this puts me over, I think that's $5,400 and something dollars. But anyways, that's in a matter of between the 7th of this month and the 16th, that's over $5,000. And I work from home, and I wake up at 9 or 10 in the morning. I set my own schedule. I do not have a boss. I do not have a commute. I take vacations whenever the heck I want. I don't have to ask anybody, or schedule any kind of vacation around somebody else's schedule. And that's what I'm basically offering people. This is something that allows you to do whatever the heck you want, whenever the heck you want, with whoever the heck you want, and live life on your own terms, you guys. I understand people have jobs, and, that's perfectly fine, but you can do this in addition to what you're doing. I literally work, maybe 10 to 20 hours a week, and in my pajamas half the time from the comfort of my home. And this is a true blessing, you guys. Just wanted to show you this is possible, this is working, and I've been doing this for a long time. I'm definitely somebody who can show you exactly how to do what I do, so you don't have to come in and go through all the learning curves and spend all the money on stuff that might or might not work like I have. I know what works. I have the resources, I have the systems, I have the people in place to close sales, I have the marketing. Everything is in place, you guys. All that's missing is you. Everything is ready to rock and roll as soon as you get started. You don't have to learn how to build websites. You don't have to learn how to do all this marketing. It's done for you, you guys. Just wanted to reach out one more time here and show you that, yes, this does work. Yes, I make money consistently. Just because I don't make a proof video every single day does not mean that it isn't working for me all the time. So these are just some checks that I'm showing you. This is not additional money that I obviously have coming from other streams of income that go direct deposit into my bank account or by PayPal, and I actually have a couple different methods. So this is maybe half of what I've actually received in the last 2 weeks, you guys, but these are checks. This is easy to show, and let me know if you're serious, if you're ready to get started, you're ready to make something happen for yourself. Get in contact with me, ask me any questions, and let's get your questions answered so we can get you started, okay? Talk with you soon.